I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning. I eat breakfast before I go to school.
I eat breakfast before I go to school.
I drink a cup of tea in the morning. I drink a cup of tea in the morning.
I get dressed and put on my shoes. I get dressed and put on my shoes. I check my phone every morning. I check my phone every morning.
I say goodbye before I leave the house. I say goodbye before I leave the house.
It is a beautiful morning today. It is a beautiful morning today. Good morning. How are you today?